Atomic layer deposition, or ALD, is a process which can grow high-quality thin films using a binary sequence of half reactions, each depositing an alternate material at low pressure. ALD has the unique property of having self-limiting reactions, which allows for precise growth control over complex structures. Precursor molecules are delivered by an inert carrier gas and will react with all available surface sites, after which the reaction terminates and excess material is purged from the system. This occurs for each precursor type, resulting in the growth of a single atomic layer. This binary process repeats itself until the desired film thickness is achieved. The properties of the ALD film can be optimized based on the different deposition conditions, including the material source and deposition temperature, which can be as low as 50 degrees Celsius.